Latest on the transfer news and bona bafethu uvane lo. So iMamelodi Sundowns isivele yayosayina umdlali omusha sha oqhamuka le ePortugal. Umdlali lo bafethu uqhamuka ezweni la qhamuka khona ucoach wayo vele iMamelodi Sundowns uMiguel Cardoso. So lo mdlali lo igama lakhe uVitoria Guimarães. Vitória Guimarães lo bafethu ucosta 20 million rand. 20 million rand, 20 million ke imali le eworth ileague yethu yala kwiPetro Premiership. Lo mdlali lo usekwadlala kwiConference League, so umdlali lo bafethu one experience in terms of ukudlala. Yabo ubedlala le eEurope, ma-European competitions. Ngabe umdlali lo uMamelodi Sundowns emsebenzisa kakhulu, ingabe uzo-answerisha inkinga zeMamelodi Sundowns kwiPetro Premiership? Asazi, but ke they've signed a European player from Portugal. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iRaja Casablanca iclose ukusayina uFaldo Davids, another South African coach bafethu uzocoacha iclub yaseMorocco. uFaldo Davids ke bafethu ngizwe kuthiwa usehambele kwiSimba SC, usehambe netechnical team yakhe. Umjida uyale eMorocco, le top umjida uzofike acoache kahle izinto ade zenza lapha eTanzania bezimnandi kakhulu. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile namhlanje iSwelele FC have parted ways with their CEO uStanley Matthews no assistant coach wakhona uAndre Arendse. Abo abajida about sebehambile kwiSwelele FC. iSwelele FC nasi announcele namhlanje bafethu sizosho lezi indaba lezi. Kunendaba engizwile ngeSwelele engayithandanga kuthi iSwelele sakwazi ukuthi sisuke le Bloemfontein siyodlala against Durban City sihamba ngebhasi. Ibhasi lafa endleleni. Lafa nje endleleni ibhasi. Abadlali bafika 2 hours before igame iqale. Yabo bafika la eDurban 2 hours before igame iqale. So akusizona indaba ezinhle lezi for iSwelele FC. This is not how you handle a team edlala kwiPetro Premiership. So ngizwile namhlanje kuthiwa badedelile uStanley Matthews beno Andre Arendse. Let's hope ke going forward bazokwazi bashintshe izinto. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile ngisakusona nje iSwelele kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns and iSwelele FC are finalizing i-loan transfer of i-defender uKegen Johannes. Mina ngikhumbula kahle uKegen Johannes wayedlalela yona iSuperSport United. Umjida uzolona back kuSuperSport United esibizwa ngeSwelele FC right now. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje kuthiwa iAdidas izo-replace iLecoq ebafethu nyayazi ke bafethu ibrand le ibafana bafana now right now izo-replace iAdidas. Ade ke saba nayo iAdidas sabanayo since 1998 until 2011. But ke right now kungizwa kuthiwa izobuya yayi-replace iPuma iAdidas. Mina ngikhumbula kahle iPuma nayo ihlala ngesikhathi esiningi ya-replace iNike. iNike yahamba nayo kwafika iLecoq ke ayibanga mnandi, ama-fans amaningi abeyingayithandi iLecoq. So iAdidas ngizwa kuthiwa izobuya njengoba sisizwa nje kwi-World Cup bayabuya ngempela. Ama-sponsors amaningi ayabuya azoxhasa iBafana Bafana. Ngizwile ukuthi iBafana Bafana isithole another sponsor futhi ekuthiwa iVaseline. Izinto ezinhle kakhulu lezi ezenzakalayo. Umsebenzi waHugo Bros muhle kakhulu bafethu. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile kuthiwa iGolden Arrows have completed the signing of Isaac Ismail Cisse odlala le eIvory Coast. Ubedlala eIvory Coast under 20 bo-captain wakhona umjida usesayinwe iGolden Arrows. Ngiyayithanda ke indaba ekanje bafethu. Golden Arrows isayina abadlala khona la eAfrica, abadlali abasebancane. Izinto ezinhle lezi. Mamelodi Sundowns isathanda kusayina umdlalo oqhamuka le kwiCape Town City, kodwa ngizwe kuthiwa umjida bazomlona back to ama-Tuks. Lo mdlalo uyodlala under 20 World Cup with iBafana Bafana. Uyodlala under 20 World Cup with iBafana Bafana. Imagine being signed by Mamelodi Sundowns and being loaned back to NFD. It doesn't make any sense. Mamelodi Sundowns, for me, I think he waste signing le. Why are they signing a player abazomlona back to i-team edlala ku-NFD? Why bengamloni i-team edlala la kwiPetro Premiership? Or else bambeke kwi-first team yayo iMamelodi Sundowns. Adlalele i-first team yayo iMamelodi Sundowns noma ngangawathola ama-minutes, but abekhona kwi-first team. Manje bebemlona le kuma-Tuks uzovela afana njengo-Ighodaro ade afika kwiMamelodi Sundowns wayengakaze adlale. Yabo angiyithandi lento eyenzayo, but ke kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa i-agent kaWandile Duba iconfirmile ukuthi uWandile Duba unama-club amfunayo le eSaudi Arabia. Yabo kuyena kumjida ukuthi uyafuna ukuhamba kwiKaizer Chiefs noma cha, but ke kunama-club amfunayo umjida le eSaudi Arabia. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa the former Orlando Pirates defenders uTsepo Gumede noNtsikelelo Nyawuza are training with uMpho Makola. Team yaMpho Makola bafethu iVia Sports FC edlala le kwi4th division yebhola la South Africa. Surfers Men's Regional League abajida basalithanda ngempela ibhola basadlala namanje. Kuthi Bafana ngenzeka engathathelwa amaphoint ngalento le eyenzeka against bona beneLesotho. Kuthiwa ngenzeka ingathathelwa amaphoint kodwa kungenzeka ifine, so kuzokhishwa imali. Indaba ezinhlekile for Bafana. This is the best outcome. Yabo ngeindaba engizwayo kuthiwa kungenzeka kanjalo, but ke sisalindele umbiko uthi ukhishwe iFIFA, but ke ngeindaba engizwile based on icase eyona right now abayikhiphanga icase after 12 hours. After 24 hours abalibekanga icala, before 24 hours njalo abalibekanga icala. So it is likely ukuthi Bafana ikhipha imali ngalento le eyenzeka ngenxa yaTebogo Mokoena. Yabo asazi ingabe uMotsepe khona akuphekayo lapha kwiFIFA because uMotsepe bethu uyasebenzisana nopresident weFIFA. I'm sure ukhona izinto abayiphekayo lapha mfethu, akwazi ukuthi Bafana isidlale kahle kanje mfethu iqede izothathelwa 3 points kanjalo. I know it was wrong into abayenza. Yabo uma Bafana ifinwa noma ithathelwa 3 points kumele kuxoshwe abantu abasebenza lapha kwiSAFA abahluleka ukuyibheka lento because akwazi umdlalo njengoTebogo Mokoena athola ama yellow card kodwa nikhona umsebenzi wenu lo ukuthi ni market down abadlali abangekho eligible to play, nina niqhubeke nibadlalise. That was a wrong move by management yeSAFA lapha. Kumele kuxoshwe abantu. Yabo it's either siyafinwa noma sifinwa, siyathathelwa amaphoint noma sithathelwa. Kumele kuxoshwe abantu. Kunabantu abahulayo lapha bengawenzi umsebenzi. Kunabantu nje laba abakhangezayo phela. Umsebenzi wenu ayidlali kakhulu Bafana ayiwadlala ama games amaningi. They play 2 games in every month. I think they play 2 games in every 2 months if I'm not mistaken. So why uhlela umsebenzi omncane kanje ukumarka down ukuthi which players are not supposed to play in which games? Yabo kumele nje kuxoshwe umuntu wahluleka ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile kuthiwa bafethu double COSAFA winning coach wasePortugal uPedro Soares Gonzalez, kuthiwa lo coach lo ngenzeka abu coach omusha weKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs right now menibona kabafethu ayinabo coach abakhona, but ke ngizwile lo kuthiwa coach iAngola bafethu umjida udlala ibhola elimnandi. Nayibona iAngola indlela ayidlala ngakhona kwiCOSAFA. Yabo nayibona indlela abadlala ngakhona abajida singeyesazike. Yabo ngangitshela ama comments umuphi ucoach iKaizer Chiefs engcono ukuthi imthole. For me I think kumele baqhubeke ngalo abanayo right now. Lo abanayo right now be assistant yakhe uNabi. Abo lo be assistant yakhe uNabi beyazi vele iKaizer Chiefs, even though bedliwe weCAF Confed. I think umjida unayo leyo nto le, uyabaza abadlali, but ke ngangitshela ama comments what do you